Maybe I've completely ballsed it.
Hello, welcome to Mr. Big Hoi An, Vietnam. Hi. Look at this.
Except those two. I'm a sucker for this song. Got my collared shirt on. That means I'm heading out after 4. Banh Mi? Oh, hang on a sec. We haven't given up yet. What an absolutely beautiful place this is. They're just trying to sell me these things. Well, out for the night. Got some things to tick off on the Hoi An list. Some tick boxes. Got my collared shirt on. That means I'm heading out after 4 or 5. Guess where I am? Just gonna just a little bit in my belly before I find some street food. Here we are. You're probably sick of seeing it. Have a look at this. You know what? This is my 3rd one in 24 hours. How good's that? Just walking through the streets here in the old city. It's so relaxed. It's like when I was up in Tam Cock, but it's busy. It's a much more touristy sort of zone. But everyone's just chilled out, relaxed. Except those two. Sounds. That's cool. So this cafe is run by deaf and mute people, and when you go to order, this is how you do it. So if you need something, you turn the box over. So if you need a menu, you've got questions. If you need hot water, if you need cool water, ice, if you need the bill, or if you want to say thank you, that's how you do it. You use the box to communicate. So it's a Japanese class for the Vietnamese. They want to learn some Japanese. You get to these crossroads here. You think, which way to go? This thing's up behind me up here. Things down this way. Things down that way. Which way to go? Come. We'll go down here. We'll see what's got going on down here. Tailor shop. There's no reason why I need a suit on this trip. I carry a little backpack, but have a look where they can make suits for you. Pick all your different varieties, different styles, shirts underneath. I think we can see the lady sewing out the back. Made to order. Look at that. Basic wool, 150. Basic wool, 150. Blend, about $170 for a suit US, it looks like. Probably don't know, don't walk around in suits too often to know how that measures up, but while you're here, people just sitting out like this. Okay, pretty hungry. Here's a lesson I've learnt travelling. When you can find a place that does cooking classes, they're going to be really good. I know there's no one in there, which is the rule that you've got to follow. This place here, have a look at this. Oh my God. Fur beef soup, fresh spring rolls, condiments for the fur soup. Yeah. You come to the places that do cooking classes, you can't go wrong. Sesame seeds in there, I can see garlic in there, a little bit of chili. Oh my God. Noodles, beef, generous with the beef. I bet you this broth is going to be the best. Oh, I can see it. There we go. A little bit of beef.
Thì chị nghĩ là tự nhiên đau lòng nó vậy thì có mặt đèn này xong cái còn của phút viên lá này
The people out in the boats are over this side over here behind me. Everyone's just out eating. It's just such a colourful, beautiful place. Wow, I could stay here a while, let me tell you.
Đi cầu cái này rồi phản này thôi. Nó nghe cài mình nghe nó cháu cài chứ.
Okay, the ladies are selling the lanterns.
Tôi có thả không?
Trả rồi.
Có thả nữa không?
So there's a game over here behind me, and I think it's called Vietnamese bingo. What I think happens is that if a song is sung and a word that's in the song matches someone's board, they win. I think. So I'm just walking down one street out of the plenty, and there are market stalls here. I honestly cannot even see the end of them. Have a look at this. You see those lanterns way down the end of the street, many, many hundreds of metres. This goes all the way back down there. I'm a sucker for this song. Entertainment, happy people. Wow. We'll go for a full stretch along there in a minute. So you can just chill out here, listen to some music, have a beer. Place next door's the same. All right, I'm a dessert guy. Always like to have a little ice cream at the end of the night. Had a good meal. This guy's going to make me a roll ice cream rolls. 45,000, $2, $2.50. Okay, thank you. Bye-bye. Old Hoi An, eh? A gathering of peaceful people. Check this out. Wow. What an absolutely beautiful place this is. Incredible. One of the nicest places I've been to in a long, long time. It's got such a great buzz.
Would you like to buy lantern? Chị ơi.
Hey, good luck. How to get this?
Oh no.
Yes, sir.
They're just trying to sell me these things. Even reggae.
Sweet dreams are made of diggings.
Hello.
Welcome to Mr. Big Hoi An, Vietnam. One plate for one ring, one for the... So busy having a good time. No, so busy having a good time.
I forgot what sort of dog that is. Got the size of a lion. Listen to this guy singing. I don't mind this song. He's giving it everything. so cool. That's pretty good. Oh no, that's... I'm going to say it's pretty good, but... There's a good singer, but it's not a singer. That's the radio. That's about it. It's the last of the shops. Couple of last little Banh Mi. Oh, hang on a sec. We haven't given up yet. Banh Mi. 40k. $2.20. $2.30. Tell her she's dreaming, right? Become mates with a bloke down the road that's knocking him out for 30. Alright, that's about it. That's the end of it. Head back and then grab a water. Try and get a good night's sleep. I'll see you in the morning. Time to leave Hoi An. Think of all the things that we did. Got on a bike, went to the rice fields, got to hug a water buffalo. Hopefully that'll bring me some luck. The carpenter of the wood village, tick. Vegetable village, that was my favourite. Showed him a new way of watering there. The old sprinkler system, round in a circle. Went to local markets. Locals go and do their trade. Caught the ride on the coconut boat. The bloke spun me around in circles. Showed you my new hobby while I'm riding a bike, turning leaves into insects, grasshoppers, lanterns, tailor shops, leather shops, restaurants, everything's here. So I love my time in Hoi An. I reckon, look, this is a 3 or 4 day town, especially if you've got travel days and you're counting them. It's at least 4 days with a few travel days there included. All right, I've got one more thing to do before I leave. Breakfast. You know what that means. You know where I'm heading. Thanks for joining me. Please subscribe. Check out my other videos. I'll see you in Da Nang. Hey, don't judge. I love Banh Mi's.